The Supreme Court is temporarily blocking the deportation of Venezuelan migrants being held in Texas under the Alien Enemies Act, a law that dates back to 1798. It comes as a Democratic senator traveled to El Salvador to meet with Kilmar Abrego Garcia. That's the man who was wrongly deported and now is being held in an El Salvadorian prison. Here's ABC's Selena Wang with more.
Following an emergency appeal from the ACLU, the Supreme Court temporarily blocking the deportation of Venezuelan migrants being held in Texas under the Alien Enemies Act. The ruling directs the Trump administration to pause until further order of this court deportations under a centuries-old wartime law, which provides little to no due process. The ACLU saying they're relieved and that these men were in imminent danger of spending their lives in a horrific foreign prison without ever having had a chance to go to court. Meanwhile, multiple ACLU state affiliates have filed a class action lawsuit seeking to represent all international students in New England and Puerto Rico who have had their student status terminated by the Trump administration. The group says none of the students reflected in the lawsuit have violated the conditions of their F-1 student visas. This comes amid the continuing battle over Kilmar Abrego Garcia, a migrant mistakenly deported to a prison in El Salvador. Democratic Senator Chris Van Hollen getting the chance to meet with Abrego Garcia.
This case is not just about one man. It's about protecting the constitutional rights of everybody who resides in the United States of America.
The Trump administration insists Abrego Garcia is a violent gang member, but his family denies the allegation. He has no criminal convictions, and they've provided no evidence. President Trump criticizing Van Hollen's trip.
No, look, he's a fake. I know him. I know them all. They're all fake. And they have no interest in that prisoner. That prisoner's record is unbelievably bad.
Van Hollen says the administration is blatantly defying the Supreme Court, which has ordered them to facilitate Abrego Garcia's return to the United States. Selena Wang, ABC News, Washington.